Today we'll begin with the poem The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. We'll begin with the first verse. "And who art thou," said I, "to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of earth," said the voice of the rain. "Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea." The first voice is the voice of the poet, and the second voice is the voice of the rain. The poet began by asking the rain, "And who art thou?" Art, A-R-T here means R, A-R-E. And who art thou? Thou means you. It's an archaic or old form of the word you. So who art thou means who are you? "And who art thou?" said I, "to the soft falling shower." Shower means the rain. It means a drizzle, soft falling shower, not heavy rain. "And who art thou?" said I, "to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer as here translated." The poet found it strange that the rain would give him an answer. This is an instance of personification. Personification is when a non-human entity acts like a human being. Here, the rain acts like a human being by answering the question of the poet. The poet found it strange that the rain would give him an answer. He translates the answer of the rain as follows: "I am the poem of earth and the voice of the rain." A poem is a piece of writing in which the words are chosen for their beauty and sound and are carefully arranged. Thus, a poem is a representation of something that is beautiful and rhythmical. Here, the rain is seen as beautiful and rhythmical as it falls. "I am the poem of earth," said the voice of the rain. "Eternal I rise, impalpable." Eternal means forever. The rain rises forever, and it is impalpable. In other words, it cannot be touched. "Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea." The bottomless sea is an example of hyperbole. Hyperbole is a description that is exaggerated. The sea, of course, has a bottom, but it is so deep that it may appear to be bottomless. "Upward to heaven, whence, vaguely formed, together changed, and yet the same, I descend to lave the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe." Upward to heaven. This is a movement that is upwards. These words actually describe the cyclic movement of rain or water. Rain actually begins its journey in the rivers and the oceans. Due to the heat of the sun, the water evaporates, forming water vapor. This is what is known in science as evaporation. Because the water had turned into water vapor, it is light, and so the movement is upwards. It continues upwards, and when it reaches the sky, due to the lowering of temperature, the water vapor turns into droplets of water. This is what is known as condensation. These droplets of water together form clouds. Then when the droplets or the clouds are too heavy, they fall down